Hi, I'm Nithya, and along with my team, Abdul, Deva, Bhargavi, we built QueueZero AI, an autonomous health queue management agent. So, in our India, we or the patients often spend hours waiting in hospital queues without knowing actual waiting time or crowd level, or even after reaching early, there is no guarantee of faster consultation. So, this leads to the overcrowding, inefficiency, and poor patient experience. So, there is a solution for this. So the solution is to first build the architecture of the QueueZero AI agent. So this is how the AI agent thinks. It first takes the real-time queue data as the input and then analyzes each slot and based on the waiting time, crowd level and availability. And it evaluates and score and it rejects the best batch slots and selects the best one and automatically assigns the optimal token. And the goal is to minimize the waiting time and then improve patient experience. Our solution is pretty simple that we have built an AI agent that fetches the data, real-time queue data from the Google Sheets via API, and it analyzes the waiting time, crowd levels, and token availability to assign the best slot. It also performs self-correction by rejecting inefficient options before selecting the optimal one. And these Google Sheets act as our live backend, and the AI agent continuously reads and updates data using API calls and making the system dynamic and real-time. And here the let's dive into our AI agent. Here the workflow is pretty simple. When user chooses the department he want, and then when he clicks on the let AI assignment token, he simply assign with the token. And let's click on this let AI assignment token when he has chosen the general department. And here the agent is simply fetching the live data and comparing all slots and evaluating the waiting time and crowd density and availability simultaneously. And you see here it analyzing the data and it is giving the most optimal slot, and it is even updating the data in the backend, and it is even showing that how many tokens were left. So let's choose another department and check out how it's gonna analyze it. And when I when the user clicked on the let AA send my token, and then now the agent evaluates the constraints under real-time conditions, and let's see what it gonna give or what it gonna fetch the data. So it was showing that all slots are full, and so the agent rejects all options instead of forcing a decision. So let's click on some other department and choose it. And so let's click on this let AI send my token button. So again, the agent filters out the inefficient slots dynamically and evaluates the optimal time and gives you the best slot to you. And as you see here, it has rejected the last two slots because the crowd level is high. So it was doing the reasoning part. And then let's check out the emergency button. Let's choose any department. And let's click on the emergency. So in emergencies, the agent overrides the normal logic, which makes it to assign the highest priority instantly. As you see here, token number has given as 1 because as it is an emergency, we had assigned which it bypasses the normal logic. So, and finally, this QueueZero AI reduces waiting time and improves hospital efficiency and enhances patient experience. You can enhance this by sending optimal reminders too. And thank you for this.